What are some morning affirmations for your diet? Here is your private affirmation session to set goals, meal prep, move well and attract positivity. These classic quotes are 18 of the best morning affirmations for dieting support, clear focus, strong willpower and endless enthusiasm. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Recommend to your children virtue that alone can make them happy, not gold. Ludwig van Beethoven. 17. No great thing is created suddenly. Epictetus. 16. The average, healthy, well-adjusted adult gets up at 7:30 in the morning feeling just plain terrible. Jean Kerr. My imagination is a monastery and I am its monk. John Keats. If a man who cannot count finds a four-leaf clover, is he entitled to happiness? Stanislav Lem. His ignorance covered the whole earth like a blanket, and there was hardly a hole in it anywhere. Mark Twain. Conscience is the root of all true courage. If a man would be brave, let him obey his conscience. James Freeman Clarke. Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were, but without it we go nowhere. Carl Sagan. To me, art supplies are always okay to buy. Louis C.K. I was showing early symptoms of becoming a professional baseball man. I was lying to the press. Roger Kahn. Now hatred is by far the longest pleasure men love in haste but they detest at leisure. George Gordon Byron. Originality is simply a pair of fresh eyes. Thomas Wentworth Higginson. But to be the best, you must face the best. And to overcome your fear, you must deal with the best. Barry Bonds. They are ill-discoverers that think there is no land, when they can see nothing but sea. Sir Francis Bacon. And in a world without heroes, as the movie trailer voiceover guy might say, the slightly awkward can be slightly cool. Adam Brody. Our envy of others devours us most of all. Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Nothing in man is more serious than his sense of humor. It is the sign that he wants all the truth. Mark Van Doren. All we actually have is our body and its muscles that allow us to be under our own power. Allegra Kent. I'm just curious. Do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.